If you're looking for the next viral snack sensation, you found it. These cream cheese garlic bombs are the perfect blend of savory garlic bread and sweet, creamy filling. Let's get baking. First, we need an incredibly soft dough. We are using a rich, slightly sweet milk bread base. Mix your dry ingredients, then add the wet ones. Kneading is key here. You want a dough that is smooth and elastic. Let it rise until it doubles in size. While our dough rests, prepare the heavenly filling. Simply whip softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla until it's light, smooth, and fluffy. This is what sets these bombs apart. Divide your dough, flatten each piece, and place a generous spoonful of your sweet cream cheese filling right in the center. Seal the edges tight to ensure none of that creamy goodness escapes during baking. Once baked to a beautiful golden color, it's time for the signature step, drenching them in an ultra-rich, savory garlic butter loaded with fresh herbs. Don't be shy, soak every single surface. And here is the magic moment. The crust is savory, the inside is pillowy soft, and the filling is an irresistible explosion of sweet and creamy flavor. Just look at that perfect texture. This recipe is guaranteed to impress. The full list of ingredients and detailed instructions is waiting for you in the description box below. If you loved this viral idea, please hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with a friend who needs a snack. Tell me in the comments what you want me to bake next.